God damn. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another old-fashioned Friday. This week, we're gonna give you a unique twist to old-fashioned Friday because I'm not going to disclose the location of which this old-fashioned was made. However, we will be releasing a video either tomorrow or the following day that will reveal the location where you can get an old-fashioned that looks like this. If you guys want to take any kind of guesses, you can leave those in the comments below. I'm going to pick one winner that guesses correctly, and you're going to win a gift card to this place. Obviously, if there's more than one of the correct answers, I'm just going to put it in one of those little Google wheels, spin the wheel, pick the winner, you're going to win a gift card. I'm not even going to say the city that we're in right now. However, I will reveal we are in Northern Virginia. So let's jump right into it. You guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the entire establishment. Single cube, clear ice, the biggest glass I've ever had in my life, and it has a little stamp. I don't know if you can see the stamp from there. This is like the epitome of like what I want every single time I drink an old fashioned. Like, I don't know if you can make anything look better than what this is right now. Again, massive glass, nice orange peel, clear ice, 3.0 right off the rip on appearance. First sip. God damn. I think the highest score, I don't want to jump right into it. I don't want to speak ahead, but I think the highest score we had so far was 9.7 or 9.8. I think it was maybe 9.8. This might either get there or top that. Incredibly smooth. Again, they have the clear ice. I could sit this down for the next 30 minutes. It's not going to melt. The consistency is going to remain the same. I'm gonna go full 3 off first sip. Overall taste, I'm probably not gonna pound this whole thing. Maybe I will, who knows? It's just really, really good. I can't reveal the mixologist that made it, again, because we're doing this, little contest or whatever, but I think he said he used a combo of some bourbon and rye. I was following him as he was making it, because when I make them at home, they're the worst, like 4 at the highest out of 10. Oh man. So I've never given a 10, it's never happened. So now I'm worried about giving anybody a 10 just because it's like, I feel like the 10 is the ultimate of things, Also, overall ambiance, I'll jump ahead in that before I get into overall taste. That's a full 1, and you'll find that out when we reveal the video of where this place actually is. And then overall taste, oh man. All right, I'm gonna do it. This is a 3. It's a 3. It's just, this is a 10. This is a 10. This is what everything should be, and it's rarely like this. Now I'm super excited to tell you where this guy's place. I swear this wasn't even a setup too. I know it's an undisclosed location. Oh, now it's a full 10. Oh, we're not telling you. That wasn't even a setup. It was a setup that we weren't going to tell you where it was. That was the only thing. So full 10. New video dropping about this place and more information about this place that you can visit that's opening very soon. And that's it. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.